In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate your Shopify store quickly and efficiently. If you're looking to expand, test new designs, or simply want a backup, duplicating your store can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Shopify. Logging into your Shopify account is the crucial first step. This is where everything will begin. Once you are in, it's time to create a new Shopify store. This new store will act as the duplicate of your existing one, providing the same foundation that you've worked hard to build. Next up is exporting data from your existing store. You'll want to gather all your product and customer information by exporting these as CSV files right from your Shopify admin. This is really straightforward and ensures that all your critical data is ready to be transferred. Don't forget about other valuable data too. Blog posts, pages, collections, these can play an essential role in your store's identity, so make sure you export those as well. Now let's talk about importing data into your new store. Starting with the products and customers, you'll import the CSV files through your Shopify admin. This process mirrors your export steps, bringing vital components of your store into the new space. For the other elements, such as blog posts and pages, you'll need to recreate these manually. Although this may seem time-consuming, it is an opportunity to refine and refresh your content. With your data in place, you'll want to reconfigure important settings. Begin with taxes, shipping, and payments. Set these to match your original store, ensuring continuity and reliability for when you start selling. Aligned with this, configure your checkout settings to suit your preferences. If you had any apps installed in your previous store, make sure to reinstall these in your new setup to maintain the same functionality and user experience. Finally, it's time to enhance your new store with compelling product content. Write product descriptions that are not only detailed but also highlight the unique benefits and features of each item. Remember, these descriptions can persuade customers to make a purchase, so make them count. Accompanying these descriptions should be professional-looking photos. Ensure your images showcase the products from various angles and accurately represent what you are selling. A well-photographed product can significantly impact a potential customer's decision. And there you have it. In just a few strategic steps, you've mastered the art of duplicating your Shopify store. With these instructions, you've not only backed up valuable data, but also set a solid foundation for further growth and experimentation. Thank you for following along. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides, and until next time, happy selling.